Good morning, good morning, good morning. Na me una brother, wey all of una know, Prophet Atiti, wey come from Edo State, wey be papa na Benin, mama na Benin, wey dey take a Benin dey proud. Una welcome o. If you today na the first day wey dey reach this my page, abeg make you press the notification bell, make you press the I like your thing. Make you press it follow make you know say anytime when I come online your phone go make you yogoro you know say I dey for line. Oh, na good morning. I greet you papa, I greet you mama. You know say we wey go for village, we no go for town. Many of our tradition dey leak now. Now I say when I call the suffer, dey correct the mothers and the fathers. Modion ẹ̀rí òkú na single mother o. Any first pikin no dey marry single mother. Make una dey plant am for una pikin mind, na very bad thing. Ima o agbọ̀ngbọ̀n máa ń no say eri aruwa bàbá o gbogbo rẹ fẹ́ o iye. Any first son wey dey marry single mother. Na wetin dey sing if you dey go for street na be this. Ima agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no say eri aruwa bàbá o gbogbo rẹ fẹ́ o iye. For the those that say are coming to come and see this video, don't be annoyed. If you are in the shoe, don't be annoyed. Please, mothers, fathers, okay, I go you I need to tell una pikin. Now we take grow. They teach us all those things. Any first son when he dey marry single mother, before everything go good for am, e dey hard. He always dey sing Ima na be their portion. Ima, may God not let Ima be their portion. You know, say as I come dey talk am small, na dey tell people now. All those women wey marry first son, wey don first born 3, 4 for another man, wey come marry first son, wey the man never first born, na first son for family never first born. You wey be woman wey don marry, wey don born 4. You come marry and as I come bring this topic now, I come talk am now. I know say you go dey vex for anywhere you dey. Na the truth I dey tell you. Na the real I dey tell you. I know you tell person lie, I know you deceive people. Any first son for family wey go marry woman wey don first born, ologo. So na so I talk am reach, ladies and gentlemen, make una no vex. You know say our tradition, our suffer dey give una small. Una go house. Anyone wey marry am, e dey hard. Na few those days. E be like us those days when our mama wan born. They will take cloth cover and they will drive us small pikin comot for there. Na make only small, na make you see am so Samore Joseph come sing am for song say the thing wey our mama dey cover the day wey they wan born, na only nurses and doctor na dey see am. But we come dey see am now, wetin our mama dey cover no be new thing again for our country people. So if we dey for phone, you go dey say I love you. We don dey see all of them. So na small, you know say all those women plus all those pikin, some dey for TJN they dey for underage 12 years, 13 years, 14 years before they carry dem come Europe. They no know the tradition. If you come dey tell them now, you dey come dey vex. If you go see, if I talk and I say any first son wey marry woman wey don first born, wey don marry woman wey don first born, say no good, una say na quarrel. Make una go see look inside the Bible wey una dey serve. Una see go look there. When I look any first son whether they don marry woman wey don first born. So na so I talk and reach. Na very short video, no be say I come tey. I beg, make una share the video, make it very, make it reach very hand. If today na your first time of coming here, press the notification bell and press the I like your thing. Press the I like your thing too. Make una share the video, make it viral. Wetin I just come do this morning. Una good morning, my brothers and my sister. I see the beg una. Those wey like me, those wey like me for the truth when I dey talk. I beg, make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. Make we go start wetin we go dey do for there. Anyone when I bring, una no like am, una dey against am. The one wey see good, una see take am. If na the one wey una still say learn, una still say learn. Where our papa dey talk to us that time, our mama dey talk to us, we dey sit down dey lis ten. The one wey we good now we dey remember today. The one wey not good we not remember am. If una see say I dey talk for this mirror, this Uwegbebo, this Oyibo mirror, all wetin my papa taught me when I was young, the one wey e good I throw am, the one wey not good now I take am. So e don reach the day when I wan come to tell una say ọmọdéyàn ẹ má ro kò náà ká bí ẹnẹ o ẹ pọ ọgà pọ ìmá o àgbọ̀ngbọ̀n máa nò ṣe èyí àrùwá bàbá o. If you that kind man you dey for the shoe no vex o. So na wetin spirit lead me to talk now I come talk today. So because of our mother wey grow for Europe, our sister wey grow for Europe wey dey marry now, make dem dey tell their son, make dem dey tell their papa dey tell dem say any first son for family e no dey marry woman wey don first born. Mostly if the first son never first born, mostly if the first son don first born before e go marry woman don first born different. Say first son never first born e go marry woman wey don first born 3 born 4 ima o agbọ̀ngbọ̀n máa no say eyín àrùwá bàbá o. Na so e go dey sing am. Cause the road the one wey e wan pass e go too much for am. The road wey e wan carry e go too much for am. So wetin I dey try to take happy Mother's Day. Our mother una dey happy today now abeg make una still count am for una mind. Make una dey straighten una pikin any first son any second son. I dey look am now some women now wey don go marry for another place wey don born 4 born 5. Now you no quarrel say you wan marry now if your pikin come go do am moko you come dey quarrel abeg wetin I just come correct for inside no say man no marry woman wey don first born o. Any first son for family wey never first born e no good make dem take woman wey don first born take start. So na very short video now I come give una abeg make una share the video make e viral. If you dey there say wetin I talk say you dey for the show you vex you no vex na message wey I say when I give out now I come give out. So make una share the video make e viral. Ọmọdéyàn normal ká bí ẹ wò pé a ẹ̀rí òkú náà ká bí ẹ náà o ìmọ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́ a message ní àwọn onídìí give one and him wàhálà ṣù nínú àrò ìbàtà ni. If you dey for the ìbàtà when I dey give the message so I don't know they no come tell me the one when I come talk journal but ọmọdéyàn wò pé a normal ká bí ẹ ẹ̀rí òkú náà ká bí ẹ náà o ìsàbọ̀mùnation o. Any I take talk am make una take am for me make una share the video make e viral make una no vex o. Na very short video abeg na me una brother wey all of una know. Mothers make una start to teach una pikin good things o. Father make una start to teach una pikin good things. When una come talk say na European life no be European life. As you see me so as una see me so na the truth I dey talk the reality na I dey talk. If I tell you no take Tony tell you you no take wait time e go reach you I go clear o. So wetin the message when I come give this morning or first pikin for pikin e no dey marry woman wey don first born. If the first pikin don first born e good but any first pikin the sing wey dem dey sing before dem go cry agbọ̀ngbọ̀n máa no ṣe o eyín àrùwá bàbá o gbogbo rẹ fẹ́ o iye. So na so I deliver the message reach make una share the video make e viral. Abeg na message wey I come give. If you dey for the shoe no vex. If you dey for the shoe make from this time teach your pikin wey you wan born any first son make you dey teach am good thing. Because where dem dey take us dey go now our mama we no dey know again. Those days our mama dey zingbe now they no dey zingbe dem dey find where e good where already made dey wey dem dey wan chuka put. Process wey dem dey chuka for already made wey dem dey find already made dey go dem dey see different thing for there. Happy Mother's Day all of our mama God go bless una anywhere una dey for part of the world. Happy Mama Day. Abeg I dey announce April 15 na be my birthday o. April 15 I invite man I invite woman I invite all the small chair lady and big chair lady. I invite all of una for my birthday. If you know say you go come make you quick tell me when I know the hotel when I go book for you. One know the hotel when I go book wait for you. I beg on April 15 I be my birthday. Next 2 months I be. Now next 2 months, now no say I no go school. I don't know the one we April when I count first one I dey pass so second one I dey pass so we don enter third one. I don't know whether we don enter third one. The fourth one na be April for a year. The fourth one I be April. On the 15th of April I dey do my birthday. So I dey tell man and woman wey go see this video make dem share am make e viral make e reach Vera hand. As you dey share am make e reach Vera hand, make you press I like your team, make you press am I like your team, make you see the press and follow am. Make you press the notification bell and press the following. Abeg make una share the video. April 15 na me new generation prophet Atiti dey do his birthday. I never fit call people like this, but I wan call people. So if you know say you go come, make you quick inbox. Oh no, inbox I no know that one. They talk inbox. I no know wetin inbox mean. E be like say I go call Iziegbe, make Iziegbe come tell me wetin inbox mean. I no know wetin inbox mean. Call him my number. If you call inbox, I no know wetin that one mean o. So call him my number, make you tell me say if you go come. Anybody wey go come my birthday, may he tell me one know the hotel wey cheap pass. No be say you go don reach there you come dey tell me hotel of 100 euro I no get that one. If na the hotel of 30 euro I fit afford that one. Na I say when I come Anasi come tell him papa tell him mama o the message when I come for today na I be say senior pikin wey never born no dey marry woman wey don first born na the message wey dey give me for night. They say when I come deliver am. They give me now I can't deliver am. Now if you dey there you want contribute for any platform na message wey they give me now I can't deliver. Anyhow you can't talk your own e no come concern me. The one wey me can't talk wey they send me any first pikin for family wey never first born you know the married woman wey don first born o. That's why I talk at this. When I subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show, when I subscribe go there more come dey give the message wey they go dey give me I come dey give am to una. Make mama dey learn for inside, make papa dey learn for inside. I come dey drop the message for una one o. Abeg if you're today na first time of coming, press the I like your team, press the notification bell and press the following. Please subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show so that we'll go to start the journey we wan do there. Abeg sister brother if this message wey dey send me they say una give call egbu call. If I can't drop this message now make una not to blame me na wetin I see. They say any first pikin wey never first born never first marry say e no good make dey marry woman wey don first born o. Na I can't tell una make una share the video make it viral. Na very short video and we go start work. Una bye bye yo. God go bless all of una. I dey do my birthday April 15. How many I wan fit invite? I no fit invite. If you know say you go come, now make me come see am for you. If you know say you go come, inbox me. Oh, I don't know where be inbox. I go call Iziegbe Ekia Queen. May come tell me how did they see inbox because me no know inbox. Now calling me I know. You know say pikin wey no go school when I be there they teach me everything for phone. They go say inbox. I don't know the one wey be inbox. I go call Iziegbe Ekia Queen may come teach me inbox. So if now today be your first time of coming, make una share the video, make it viral, make rich man and woman. God go bless all of una. Una bye bye you.